అంతవరకు నడుస్తుంది సిమెంట్ రాయి దొరుకుతుంది
ముందే నథింగ్
నథింగ్ సెట్ అయిందా డబ్బా
ఏంది అర్థం కాలే నువ్వు రికార్డింగ్ అయి చేసినావా ఓడోమీటర్ తీసుకున్నావా
డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది
హాట్స్పాట్ ఎందుకు పెట్టినావు
దాంట్లో సిమ్ లేదు గో ఎక్స్ట్రా మైల్ పెట్టినండే
పెట్టినా
ఈడికి పెట్టినా టైం వచ్చింది కానీ కిలోమీటర్ 0 వచ్చింది ఇవి పట్టుకోరా ఇట్రా గంటలు చూసుకోండి
అది వీడియో తీస్తున్నా
వాడికి కూడా ఎంత మంచిగా పెట్టినావు అంటే మంచిగా ఉంటే మంచిగా పెడతావా
మళ్ళీ పెట్ట రే చూడి రే మళ్ళీ పెట్టి వీడియోలు లేదు ఇంత ముందు ఫోటో వీడియో తీస్తున్నాను
Hi, hello, namaste. This is Venkaya. Welcome back to the channel. And the epic ride has started. Ride to Ladakh 2024 from Hyderabad. So you might have seen the puja, though. Yes. So we are here at Kamareddy right now, having a breakfast. So breakfast is idli, and yes, covered around 100 kilometers right now. So we still have some time. So planning to either cross Nagpur or move around 150 more from Nagpur for the day. So let's see how it goes on. But yes, this is going to be an epic video shoot, epic videos as well. So epic journey of the episodes of the complete Ladakh series. So please do watch and do subscribe to the channel. Here's the breakfast and the tiger, Mr. Arvind. Breakfast, the idli. Alright, welcome back to the channel. 5 hours into the ride and we are crossing into Maharashtra, the first state of the ride for Ladakh 2024, and here we enter to Maharashtra. So today's target is basically we are planning to cross Nagpur and try to reach till Narsinghpur, which is in Madhya Pradesh. So let's see where we'll go. The time is around 11 o'clock and we have reached the Maharashtra border after crossing Adilabad. So Parva, you can see Pandharwada, Nagpur 175, Jabalpur 455. So that's the update for the ride right now. The weather is really good. There's no sun much. There's not much of sun though, but it's hot when we are stopping. Else it is good. So that's what we are expecting right now for the day. No rain and try not to get the sun. And while I'm talking, you can see the shade. So this Mr. Sun God is eagerly waiting to come out of that light clouds, but in front I don't see any clouds coming up, so mostly I will definitely see the sun in some time. So from here Nagpur is showing around 3 hours of journey, which is by 3:30 or 4 we'll reach Nagpur, but we have to take a diversion around 50 kilometers before the Nagpur city only, because NH44 doesn't go inside the Nagpur, it takes the bypass. So we're planning to go there and we'll be using the NH44 majorly in this complete ride. With this I will also be covering the NH44, which I have done until Nagpur, and now we'll be covering the rest of the NH44, which is from Nagpur to Srinagar. So we'll be covering the complete stretch of Nagpur to basically from Srinagar to Kanyakumari on NH44 with Bagheera. So let's roll. Look at the views. Hope you are enjoying it. It's all green, 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 and loving it. Mountains, here we come. Welcome back to the channel. So time is around 1:30. We've started for the lunch here near the Jamb, which is around 50 to 60 kilometers from Nagpur at Vittal Kamath. And yeah, the road is pretty good. It was bad when we came in December, but now the road is good. After we entered the Maharashtra, the road is also good. It's not bad. It's not that bad as like that, but it's good for now. And you can see the bikes, but it drizzled a lot. It drizzled for some time. The bikes are completely full of mud. So yeah, good spot. We have a petrol pump, EV charging station, parking, kids play area, and the pretty good restaurant. So let's quickly go and see. So here it's snacks and tiffins point, the Kamath, which is typically the veg restaurant, and we'll see what's there in the lunch. All right, welcome back to the channel. The time is around 8 o'clock and we have reached Sioni, which is 150 kilometers post Nagpur. Our original target for the day was Narsinghpur, but we couldn't reach it, so we reached we were able to reach till Narsinghpur, till Sioni, and by 7 o'clock we reached Sioni, checked into the hotel, came for the dinner right now. And here's the hotel where we are having the dinner, Saiji Family Restaurant, and looks like the food has come. The food is thali that we have ordered. Let me check what Arvinana has ordered. ఏం చెప్పినావు ఇంకా Alright, so that's the menu. Pulka, anda bhaji and a veg curry. Let's quickly have it and go back to the room.